Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for Bumble. Bumble is an American social media company that operates the Bumble online dating application, facilitating communication between interested users. In order to sign up for Bumble, you can download the Bumble application on your mobile device, or you can simply visit the site bumble.com with your web browser. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's begin. Tap open your Bumble application from your app drawer. In order to sign up, you can use your mobile number option or continue using your Facebook account. Let me go ahead and tap on use mobile number option, and now type in your mobile number on the next page. Tap on the next button after you're done. You need to verify your phone number. If you are sure that you have typed in the correct phone number, tap on OK. Now, wait for a code that has been sent to you on your mobile number via SMS. On the next page, you'll need to enable location services in order to display potential matches in your area. Tap on Enable Location, and now type in your first name. Your first name will be visible on your profile, and you won't be able to change this later, so make sure that you are typing in the correct name and tap on Next at the bottom right. Now, you'll need to add your first photo. Go ahead and choose a photo from your library or simply add a photo from your Facebook. If you'd like to import pictures from your Facebook, tap on Add from Facebook. But if you'd like to choose a photo from your camera roll, tap on Choose a Photo option. Now, from the pop-up, select from where you'd like to import your pictures. Let me go ahead and select a picture pretty quickly from my camera roll. Once you select a picture, tap on Add this photo at the bottom right. Wait for a few seconds, and now your picture has been uploaded. You can go ahead and choose more photos in order to upload it on your profile, but if you don't right now, tap on Next. Now type in your birthday information, tap Next. Now, from the pop-up, confirm your age that you've just chosen. Since you won't be able to change this later, tap on Confirm from the pop-up after you are ready. Now identify yourself, choose your gender from the options displayed on the screen. Let me go ahead and choose my gender. Now tap on the next button at the bottom right. You'll get to choose a mode in order to get started. You can start with a BFF mode or simply jump into your dating mode. Let me first choose the BFF option. Now tap on the next button. Add a recovery email address in case you can't log into your account. This might be very handy whenever you're having trouble logging into your account. Type in a valid email address that you have an access to. If you don't want to do this, you can simply skip the process by tapping on Skip at the bottom left. Now tap Next, tap on Yes from the pop-up, tap on Got It on the next page. Agree to the terms and service of Bumble by tapping on I agree, and there you go. That is how you can quickly sign up for Bumble. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.